What's up, guys? So I'm out here today. It's a warm, pretty day, and I can't not come out here and try to do something. But I'm not at 100%. I'm not even at 50%. So what my objective is today is to get my mids and highs wires extended, labeled over into the amp rack area, and then work on the amp rack, start getting it ready to go to work. However much I get done, but yeah, I don't know, man. I'm just having a bad spell, so we'll just struggle through it, do what I can, and that'll be the end of that for today. Now, right now, I'm setting up to extend my A-pillar wires. Starting out with the A-pillars, and then going to the doors. I'm gonna do them little at a time so I can label everything as it goes. Alright, yeah. I wasn't sure where that wire was gonna come out at, but it comes out up here. It comes out at that and behind the carpet right there. But let's see here. Alright, so I got my stuff. I'm going to be making labels for everything. And heat shrinking them on. So I haven't used one of these in forever. Go back down here to this thing. We got our A-pillar label. Cool. So now I'm going to pull my two A-pillar wires through this heat shrink here. Get them all lined up, and we'll label this bunch together. Back far enough back where I know I'm not gonna be cutting them off. So I gotta get everything the right length for the setup. But yeah, hang on. We'll just shrink it on now. I'll do the rest of them the same way. We'll be able to tell what's going on no matter where we're at. Labels. Get her done. Alright, so we got subwoofers. We got all 6 channels of mids and highs. And DSP is going to be sitting right in here, right inside this C-pillar. And so RCAs will be coming in from about midways to everything. I guess that's ready, mostly. I still need to get my power situation, but yeah. Alright, so now I've determined it fits. I've got to take care of these holes for my power wires to come through, my speaker wires. And I don't know, there's a lot of ways it could be done. I'm going to be able to drill. Alright, let's try this. Apparently this cloth is completely drill proof. Look at that. What the heck's going on, man? What am I missing? How does a drill not drill? I mean, the only thing in there is this material. What the hell? Alright, I just had to attack them from the front. Get through the carpet. It was giving me fits, man. Now on the back, I'm going to open these up a little bit to make it easier to put my wires through. give them a little opening, a little wiggle room. All right. All right, and we have that part in. We need to move on to the bottom parts. And I gotta wrap those yet. Okay, so this piece fits at the bottom of the door like so. And I'm gonna need to have speaker wires from the front stage coming up through this part up to the rack. And so that's how they're getting into the space. So I need to make hole or holes right in here to allow for said speaker wire pass through. That looks like a pretty good size. We'll jab it and then go test it, and jab it again and test it until we reach the point to where everything looks like it's going to work. I mean, I just got a handful of speaker wires to pass through. The hole doesn't have to be ginormous. I'm thinking I need to look and figure out exactly where I want it. That matters more than how big the hole is. So I'm thinking power on the left, signal and speaker wires on the right. Since power's coming in out there and doing the thing, that works for me. I like that. I can make that work. After further studying, I've got space behind this right here where the wires can just come up naturally. I don't even have to make a hole in this. So we're just going to wrap it and call it cheese. Let's get us a test fit in. These wires are going to be going this direction. I know you guys can't see, but there just ain't nowhere for you to be over here. I'll show you when I get things in position here. Getting there. I gotta put the battery in there and then I can tighten everything up. I'll show you guys where we are. It's looking good. That's good. These wires come out right here. We'll come back and hook right there. Over to there. Ground goes back. Speaker wires are all right here. They're gonna pop out and go up. Yeah, y'all get the idea. All right, if you guys were wondering how we were gonna seal up the box with the wires coming through, there you go. I basically pulled the panel away and then run the expander foam behind the panel and then quickly screwed it down. So all the expander foam pushed out here and the holes on the inside, sealing up those locations. And I've got these guys up here. Got more work to do. All right, guys, I got the 8K hanging. Now I'm starting to see everything, how it's going to play out. There just ain't enough room in here for fuses. Not really. I'd be making like 2-inch wire to a 2-inch wire. It'd be dumb. So we're going to run straight wires here, which means I'm going to be putting the Slapz fuses over here, I guess. And just kind of, as pieces start to fall into place, I'm starting to kind of figure out what's going on. But yeah, we're working on it. Yep, things evolve. Studying at it, looking at it, staring at it, and that's what my brain said needs to happen, so that's what's happening. You know, I think it works better, all things considered. I think it looks better for the wall back here, for the amp rack and stuff. It is what it is, right? Got the seats back in their position, so this is how they're going to be during operation. You notice there's a lot of room behind the seats, and I'm very comfortable. We ain't going to be like up here all facing the windshield trying to get in there. That's the whole idea, is to have a comfortable build that's comfortable for road tripping and riding, and still brings the thunder. Do hair tricks, play low, be comfortable. That's the idea. That's all the #1 stuff. If it happens to be pretty loud on the meter, that's great, but that's not even in the top 2. And I think that color scheme is going to work real well over here. Since we ended up with black carpet, well, black just had to happen. You know what I'm saying? It was a foregone conclusion that things were going to be black. It looks good from this angle too. I like it. Contrasting like that. That looks real nice. I like the whole color scheme. Yep.